We are going to have a presentation. This presentation is about English language. So here at Genius Institute Lahore, it's a great experience. You will love learning this language, which is known as English language. The students who are free after the examination, they can join our courses. The students who are matriculation, intermediate, graduation. We have recently started our junior spoken English classes, and they are also wonderful in their content, and the students are learning delightfully. I'm going to see you with your presentations after a short while. Thank you.
English is very interesting and useful language. It helps us to talk to people from different countries. We can watch movies, cartoons, understand songs in English.
Hello, dear friends. How are you doing? We'll be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's N.A. Sakib, and I've been teaching IELTS, PTE, Duolingo, and spoken English for the last 25 years. And this year, it's the celebration year of our Golden Jubilee, Silver Jubilee. So we'll keep on celebrating this year as a Silver Jubilee year. 25 years have been completed of establishment of this institute. I established this institute, Genius Institute Lahore, back in 2000 and in June in particular. Yes, I remember. So in June, exactly, we'll have 25 years of completion of this institution. Now, today, we are going to have a presentation. This presentation is about English language. English language learning is a fun or a science or a great art. It all depends on the teacher. The teacher actually teaches in a pleasant way. It becomes the most delightful experience for the students. And if the teacher takes it to be a tedious and boring process, the students are no longer interested in learning it. So here at Genius Institute Lahore, it's a great experience. You will love learning this language, which is known as English language. And we're teaching English language courses here to the students of students and professionals simultaneously. The students who are free after the examination, they can join our courses. The students who are matriculation, intermediate, graduation, it all depends. We have recently started our junior spoken English classes, and they are also wonderful in their content, and the students are learning delightfully. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you with your presentations after a short while. Thank you. Stop.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the fun of learning English language. English is an interesting and useful language. It helps us to talk people from different countries. We can watch dramas and listen songs in English. English is not a difficult. If we practice every day, we can play word games to learn new words. Speaking English with friends make learning fun.
Stop.
Watching cartoons and reading movies, reading short stories helps us in learning English. Um, for our better fluency, we should speak every day. For better pronunciation, we should.
Yeah, that's great. Good idea. That for better fluency, we should speak every day on daily basis. If we're speaking, we become proficient and very fluent in speaking.
For better pronunciation, we should listen native speaker every day. Mistakes are normal, so we shouldn't be afraid to speak. At Genius Institute Lahore, we are learning English in a great way, and it is a great fun. So just keep practicing and enjoy the learning of English language.
Thank you very much indeed for your presentation. Now the next student, please. She would say a few words about why English language learning is a great fun at Genius Institute Lahore.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell about
Yes.
the fun of learning English.
Hmm.
English is very interesting and useful language. It helps us to talk to people from different countries. We can watch movies, cartoons, and understand songs in English. Learning speaking is not difficult if we practice every day. If we want to become fluent in English, we just need to listen the latest speakers to improve our pronunciation. Also, we should need to make simple sentences to remember our grammatical rules. So at Genius Institute Lahore, we enjoy learning English, and our teachers encourage us to speak fluently and naturally. So
Beautiful. When I'm clapping, you're all supposed to clap for the person who is speaking. Very good. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Today, my topic of presentation is fun of learning English. It is very useful and interesting language. It helps us to communicate to people, and we can talk to people of different countries. Also, by practicing, we can make it better. Mistakes are normal, but we have to concentrate on speaking. By practicing it, we can learn fast, and by writing few sentences, we can correct our grammatical mistakes. And by listening to different documentaries, we can improve our vocabulary. And by practicing it, we can get more confident. Our teacher encourages us to make us fluent and good at English.
Thank you very much for your presentation. Very good presentation.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm talk about English language is fun. Uh, English is English is interesting and useful language for our future. And English not is difficult language if we practice every day and watch English movies and understand songs in English is a help of to listening English podcast and English speakers like Sir N.S. Akib in Genius
Thank you
Institute.
very much for this appreciation.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
And in Genius Institute, Lahore teach us in spoken English with happiness and with calmness. In English, we also play some word games for searching new words in English like vocabulary and so English. I must say English is not a global language, but if you need to grow in your life and in your future, so you should know how to speak English fluently and confidently.
Excellent presentation. Thank you very much indeed for your presentation, gentlemen. Mr. Fussy, you are doing great job.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful, today's my presentation topic is the fun of learning English. English is a very interesting language and it's a very global language. By learning English, we can take very good job opportunities and different career opportunities in future. Uh, by learning English is a very interesting language to be learned. By learning We can watch films, dramas, and cartoons to learn English, and play some word games to better our vocabulary. And in Genius Institute Lahore, we work on vocabulary, accent development, and uh, and many more different things on English. And we learn English with entertainment and joy. Uh, with Sir Anis Akib. And by learning English, we can increase our confidence and get more better job opportunities or in better career opportunities. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Today, I am going to talk about the fun of learning English. English is an interesting and useful language. It helps us to talk to people from different countries. Uh, we can watch movies and understand in songs in English. English is not a difficult language if we practice every day. We can play word games to learn new words. Uh, Speaking English with friends makes learning fun. Watching cartoons and novels and readings may also helps. At Genius Institute Lahore, we enjoy learning. We enjoy learning English in an easy way. Our teachers encourage us to speak fluently and naturally. Let's keep practice and enjoy the journey of learning English.
Let's keep practicing, enjoy the journey of learning language like English at Genius Institute Lahore. Okay, gentlemen, it's your turn now.
Start the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Today is my topic about fun of learning English. English is an interesting and useful language. It helps us to talk with people from other countries. We can watch movies and understand songs in English. Learning English is not difficult if we practice every day. Mistakes are normal, so we should not be afraid to speak. Listening to English speakers improve our pronunciation. Our teachers encourage us to speak fluently and naturally. So let's keep exploring and practicing and enjoy the journey of learning English. Thank you.
A teacher play a vital role in shaping a student future. Among all the teachers I have met, my favorite teacher is Sir Anas Sakib. He is kind, knowledgeable,
Your
and
presentation topic is not your favorite teacher. It's the topic for tomorrow. Today's topic is the fun of learning language, English language. So you are mistaken about it. Do you think English is interesting and useful language?
yes.
Can you go give me any examples why it is interesting and useful? It's useful because if you want to have a personal growth, you want to become successful in your career, you need to learn English language. It's very useful. And number two, it's interesting because if you speak English, you can make international friends. And on social media platforms, you can be super duper important. Thank you very much, everybody, for your presentations on this topic. Tomorrow, we're going to have another topic, and it's going to be about my favorite teacher, my bestie, my best teacher, anybody who has inspired you a lot in your career, and the one who has done a bit of career counseling and made you achieve the desired results of your professional academic career. Thank you.